What if I told you the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class isn't just a car? It's a futuristic luxury experience on wheels. From jaw-dropping design to cutting-edge tech, this sedan is redefining what it means to be elite. But is it worth the hype? Stick around, because we're breaking down everything you need to know. Design, a futuristic statement. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class isn't just a sedan, it's a masterpiece of modern engineering. Sleek and aerodynamic, a coupe-like silhouette with an extended body for a bold, dynamic stance. Signature Panamericana grille, paired with sharp digital LED headlights, it demands attention. Futuristic rear, a full-width LED light bar and hidden exhausts give it a clean, high-tech vibe. AMG styling, optional. Blacked-out accents, sportier bumpers, because luxury should look mean too. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling symbol of prestige. Interior, a tech-savvy luxury lounge. Step inside and you'll see why Mercedes dominates luxury. Hyperscreen infotainment, AI-powered assistant, touch controls, everything at your fingertips. Premium materials, hand-stitched Napa leather, carbon fiber, open-pore wood, pure opulence. 64 color, ambient lighting, changes with driving modes, and your mood. First-class comfort, massaging, heated, ventilated seats for all passengers. Burmester, 4D sound, a surround system that feels like a concert hall. This cabin isn't just luxurious, it's a next-gen sanctuary. Performance, power meets efficiency. Mercedes didn't hold back on engine innovation. 2.0-litre turbo-mild hybrid, 255 horsepower, 400 Newton-meters torque, smooth and efficient. 3.0-litre, it's inline six. Mild hybrid, 375 horsepower, 550 Newton-meters, perfect balance of power and luxury. AMG U53, hybrid, 450 plus horsepower, insane acceleration, advanced all-wheel drive for max thrills. Plug-in hybrid, over 100 kilometers electric range, luxury goes green, paired with a 9-speed transmission and 4 MATIC all-wheel drive. This sedan delivers power and precision. Price and rivals. Can it dominate? Base model, approximately $60,000. Inline 6 model, approximately $70,000. AMG variant, $85,000. Plus Mercedes is betting big. More tech, more luxury, more performance. But will it outshine its rivals? So, what do you think? Is the 2026 E-Class the ultimate luxury sedan, or are you sticking with the competition? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews like this. See you in the next one.